Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing Spin Master Monster Jam Mystery Mutters Series 3. So I've got one of each truck, Max D and Son of a Digger. So this is Series 3. Series 1 had Gravedigger and Blue Thunder, and Series 2 had El Toro Loco and Dragon. And so Max D and Son of a Digger is this series. So look at the back, you've got all the trucks in the background and then two washed off. You see you put it in water to wash it off. And then same with this one. So, let's unbox them. And so here it is. There's Max D, covered in dirt. I'm not going to sit on this thing because last time I did it, I got it all dirty. And then Son of a Digger. So here it is, covered in dirt, and you can see it's already starting to crack. So in previous videos, I've shown myself washing it off, but this time I'm not going to do that. This time I'm just going to wash it off, and then I'll come back when I'm done washing it off. So I'll go wash it off now. Okay, so here they are. So I'm going to start with the Son of a Digger. So the body, the main color is the light blue. So there's also black ones, but I got the light blue. And then, so the flames are just a regular blue. Those are one thing that can come in a different color. The logo is yellow and orange, which is pretty cool. Then if you turn it to the side, the background, like the fog and stuff in the background, and this logo is yellow. And then the junkyard is kind of colored orange. This is SD219 or 5D219, I can't tell. But yeah, and then the other side is the same. This has Mystery Mutters right there on the sides. And then this has a silver roll cage, purple chassis, and the Mystery Mutters wheels and rims. So there's that. And then Max D, this one is super cool. I got a silver body. I'm not sure what the other color could be, but I got a silver body, and then the flames are a little more red than usual. And then there's a purple outline around them. And then the Mystery Mutters is right there. And that's the same colors on the front right there. And the sides, Tom Meents is in purple. The Max D logo is yellow and purple. And then there's some orange background. And this is MD111. Then it's got a yellow roll cage, orange chassis, and Mystery Mutters wheels and rims. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing, and goodbye.